Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update new Relic entity dashboards for real-time application insights, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your new Relic account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section from the main menu. Identify the existing entity dashboard you wish. Click on the dashboard name to open it. Review the current data and widgets present on the dashboard. To add a new widget, click on the Add Widget button located at the top right corner. Choose the type of visualization you need from the available options. For application insights, consider selecting a line chart or a bar graph. After selecting the widget type, configure the data by specifying the relevant application and metrics. You can filter the data based on specific attributes like environment or region. Once configured, click on the Add button to insert the widget into your dashboard. To rearrange the widgets, simply drag and drop them to your desired location. If you need to edit a widget, click on the three dots in the upper corner of the widget. Select Edit to make the necessary changes to the widget settings. After making your adjustments, click Save to apply the changes. To remove any unnecessary widgets, click on the three dots and select Remove. Review the overall layout and functionality of your updated dashboard. Once satisfied with your adjustments, save the entire dashboard. You can also share the updated dashboard with your team by clicking on the Share button. Choose your sharing preferences, such as email notifications or direct links. Monitor the real-time insights provided by your updated dashboard regularly. Keep an eye on any alerts or anomalies that might arise from the application data. By following these steps, you can ensure your new Relic entity dashboards are always up to date for optimal application performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.